we come here to the ceiling elevators here at Lakeridge, Oshawa. Going down or up? Stepping on tube going up. Here we go. 3. 150 feet from there, I guess. 6th floor going up. Okay. 7th floor going up. I'm just going for it because I'm an elevator buff.
Really?
Yep.
Wow. You'll be on a long ride on this one. We've
That's
got
okay.
one down. So
I saw that, yeah.
It's taking a long time.
Yeah, that's true. But hey, at least one's working.
Yeah, exactly. You could always take the stairs.
Yeah, true that. Have a good day.
You too.
Down?
Yep, going down. What floor?
So this is the top. Yes, one please.
One, perfect. So one's out of service. Are they replacing the one on the right side?
Eventually, I heard that they're waiting for a part that's got to come from Europe somewhere, you know.
Oh, like what company though?
I don't know. I just heard they were waiting for parts.
Somewhere in Europe. Might be a European elevator company, maybe.
I don't know. They usually have it on the outside of the elevator somewhere, don't they?
Yep. Oh, no stop going down. Perfect. After you. Have a great day.
Have a great day.